Solve 10 equals 4x plus x squared. Let's rewrite this a little bit to see what we have. We'll move the x squared before the 4x to write this in descending order. We have 10 equals x squared plus 4x. We have the x terms on one side, and x has an even coefficient. So we can complete the square by adding to both sides half of 4 squared. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides of the equation. And when I do, I get 14 equals, and then this factors as x plus 2 squared. Using the principle of square roots then, I have x plus 2 equals the square root of 14, or x plus 2 equals negative square root of 14. Solving for x, I have x equals negative 2 plus the square root of 14, or x equals negative 2 minus the square root of 14. Both of those check in the original equation, so I can state that the solutions are negative 2 plus the square root of 14 and negative 2 minus the square root of 14.